What'd you say?
And my hopes are not high.
Okay. Ready? Let it rip!
For some reason, I guess this one was an Ohio or something.
What we got here?
A pipe!
The big one.
We should have enough left over after he does mine also. So I got too much done.
That's for the red car?
Oh, yeah. That's me. I could have did it. Whatever.
Look at that. It's all right. Bernoulli's principle increases velocity.
There'll be enough left over we can play with. Learn how to do well.
What you got there?
Hopefully a fix.
So in continuation, what is this, 4 days later? 4 days later.
Oh yeah, something like that.
We got a new tensioner, straight sent from Memphis, from Ford. And hopefully this is gonna solve our tapping problem. I don't know why you didn't see it before though.
I didn't have my Yoo-hoo on.
Oh, Yoo-hoo, sponsored by Yoo-hoo?
That's right. Tighter. Let's see.
So why are you using new bolts? Why not use the old one?
They're torque to yield.
What does that mean?
So they're stretched. They torque to a specified torque number and then usually a angle degree.
So we got the cams in place. Watching little John Doc. And Zach is putting the gasket on the thing.
Cam cover.
Oh, you know the thing. And then she's bringing us some hot cocoa. And it's pretty I got this nifty cuff from my boss lady. It's got my face on it. So ain't that dude? In that dude sexy? Look at that.
That's debatable.
Oh, you hush. You just jealous because you got some boring cup. She's got a wiggle. Oh, it's kind of. See, this is why we like her. Look at that. She's bringing us some cookies. Look at that. What kind of cookies are these?
Elf hats and
Some
Christmas
buddy hat.
trees.
Give me that. Smile.
Ah! You gonna clean it off?
What we got here? Your name. Okay, so what happens if it starts doing what it is? Give us some final thoughts.
I'd be sad. I guess we'll be looking for another stock motor to put in it. I'll take a break from it for a while too.
You ready?
Going, Jordan? and all in it. This clutch is like on off. We'll have to pull this motor out again. We're just putting a stock clutch in it.
We got a theory. We're calling it, what, number 6?
Yeah.
Number 6. Here we go. So we're gonna pull the plug and do a compression test. Well, I think we might have found the plug.
That one is too.
Wet?
With fuel, yeah. As is that one. As is that one. We lost this whole bike because one of them damn bolts backed out. I'm gonna kill myself. Ain't no way it was running on 4 cylinders that whole time, man. Ain't no way.
You got a theory?
Nope. Besides it's broke.
Spitball it.
We probably got a valve because we didn't check the heads. Oh my god. The fuck? Are you serious? The secondary freaking chain broke. I wonder if the noise was the damn chain.
So what's the assessment? Make an assessment.
I don't know. I'm guessing now maybe the noise was from the chain being so wore out because it had a ton of slack in it, and the tensioner couldn't take it up. And it's either that or it had that much slack in there and it was just kissing the valve on the piston. I guess we're going to try to get another chain and put on it, put it back in time, crank it, and if it doesn't miss, we'll compression test it to see if we bent the valves or not on number 5, or actually 6. That's the last resort that we're taking this motor out. This motor doesn't want to be in this car.
This is the curse of Old Gregg.
I know. Like, if you had a bad day, you down, think I'm gonna get fixed? No. Try again, buddy.
You're sad.
I know.
Do you enjoy what you do?
Sometimes I question that. See, that's what. It's almost in time right now, but the chain broke. So I think the chain was too freaking slack, and the valve was kissing on that hole. The big if is if we bent one.